Even after you said he failed the first test, and you cannot maintain that after the failure of the first test, he remained in Gauteng, that you cannot tell the court. Correct?
My Lord, what I can tell is that after when he realized that he failed, he didn't want to give up, then he went to the nearest appropriate driving license testing center to make another further bookings.
Manje ke ngemva kokuthi ahluleke wena ngeke ukwazi ukusho ukuthi uye wahlala eGoli noma uye wabuyele emuva. Uthi into engiyaziyo Nkosi enkantolo ukuthi uma eqeda ukuhluleka uye wabonakala njengomuntu ongapheli ithemba yena uye wabhuka futhi.
So immediately after he failed in Boksburg, he proceeded to in Brakpan, he proceeded to Boksburg. Is that your evidence?
That is correct, my Lord.
Manje uthini uthi ithema kaqeda ukuhluleka eBrakpan uye waqhubeka waye eBoksburg uthi yebo iqiniso Nkosi enkantolo?
Was it the same day?
It was the same day, my Lord.
Ibekade kuyilona lelo suku lelo uthi yebo.
Okay. In terms of the the procedure to apply, immediately after a person has not succeeded, like as your evidence suggests that he failed in Brakpan, then he proceeded to Boksburg. There is no time frame within which he can pre-book for the second test. There's no time frame in between.
My Lord, the Act does not give restriction. Once you fail, as long as there's available slot, you will be accommodated.
Manje ke asikho isikhathi eyikuthi sibekiwe ngisho ukuthi umuntu mayiqeda kuhluleka kwamele athathe isikhathi esingaka bese kukhanya ezofaka isicelo. Uthi umthetho sisekelo obawubekile awuvimbeli umuntu ukuthi ngemva kokuthi ahlulekile athathe isikhathi esingaka. Lo muntu loyo angafaka isicelo mayiqeda kuhluleka.
So which year did he pass the learners? Was it 2014, 2015?
2014, my Lord.
Manje uye wakwazi ukuthi aphase nini ilearners uthi ngo2014 noma u2015 uthi 2014.
How many days in between, or how many months in between, or weeks in between, from the day he failed the second test in Boksburg up to the day in which he passed the learners? How many days in between?
My Lord, if maybe I may given a moment to go and check with the calculator, but if I may estimate, because when he realized that he failed, he made the booking on the 22nd, and he was given a date of September. Remember, from time to time, you are not the only person that books. So you find that maybe where he failed, he realized that the bookings on which they are available in December, and December is too far for him. So when he checked with Boksburg, he found that no, in Boksburg I can pass maybe in September.
Manje kuthathe isikhathi esingakanani ukuze aphase ukusuka ngalesikhathi ezebehlulekile uyofika ngelanga aze aphase ngalo? Uthi anginaso isiqiniseko samalanga noma inyanga, kodwa into engiyibonile ukuthi ngemva kokuthi ahlulekile uye wathola ilanga ebelikade limnikeza uSeptember. Mhlawumbe uye wahlola wabona ukuthi amanye amalanga akhona bekade kungamalanga wango December, kodwa ke ubona ukuthi uDecember mhlawumbe wawukade ukude ukuze yena azokwazi ukuthi abhale futhi ingakho egcine sekuthi uthatha leli langa lango September.
But within that period that you have just demonstrated, you cannot safely tell this court that he remained in Gauteng until he passed the learner's license. You cannot say that to this court.
My Lord, in my evidence in chief, I only indicated on the day that he was at the driving license testing center.
Manje ke kusukela ngaleso sikhathi ezebe ehluleka nalesikhathi ezebe ezobhala futhi ngoSeptember, wena awunaso isiqiniseko, ngeke usho uqinisekile ukuthi wayekade ela eGoli. Uthi mina ngisho nje amalanga la ukuthi bekade ebhala ngawo Nkosi enkantolo ngalesikhathi ngiphana ngobufakazi babo.
The essence of this question is that you cannot dispute the fact that during the period, at the time this incident of the death of Senzo Meyiwa, if he says he was in KwaZulu-Natal That's the essence of what I want to draw your attention to, is that no one can come and rebut or dispute the fact that he was at KwaZulu-Natal, except to locate him on the dates of the bookings.
My Lord, what I know is that the Act encourages people to apply at the appropriate registering authority. And if I may maybe explain the definition of appropriate registering authority in terms of the Act, it says that the person, it's a jurisdiction in which the person permanently resides. So I wouldn't live here and book in Belo while I know I'm staying in Pretoria.
Manje ke wena ngeke ukwazi ukusho noma akekho umuntu ongakwazi ukusho ukuthi umsolwa njengoba yena ethi wayekade engekho egoli ngalesikhathi kuze bekubulawa uSenzo Meyiwa. Uthi mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi umthetho uthi umuntu kwamele abhukhe la ahlala khona. Wenza umfanekiso uthi ngeke ithi umuntu ehlala ePretoria bese uyahamba eyobhukha endaweni ethize. Yena wazi nje ukuthi umthetho uthi ubhukhe endaweni la uhlala khona.
Thank you. Hence, I'm saying to you, the address that Muzi Sibiya, when he made that application, he used a domicile of choice, the origin where it is not his permanent address.
But that's not what the Act says. The Act says it must be your area of jurisdiction that you permanently reside.
Uthi-ke Muzi Sibiya usebenzise ikheli eliseduze nala ikuthi wayekade ebhukhe ngakhona. Uthi kodwa umthetho awusho njalo. Umthetho uthi kwamele ubhukhe ngasendaweni eseduze nala uhlala khona.
Yeah, but let's just conclude this cross-examination by saying, in all what you are saying has no attachment. Sorry, may I approach the President? Thank you, Manoj. So let me just put this way to you. My instruction is that on the 22nd, when he came for the first bookings, he returned back home. You can't dispute it. After the bookings, when he came to Brakpan and Boksburg, after those bookings, he returned back to KwaMahlabatini. You can't dispute that.
My Lord, those are his vision, it's not my vision.
Ngeke uphikisane nokuthi ngemva kokuthi ebhukhile umsolwa nge-22 uye wabuyela emuva ekhaya eMahlabathini uthi into ayishoyo akusiyona into eshiwo yimi le.
Secondly, when he came back when he came back in September, I think that is for the booking that he made on the 22nd. He was traveling from KwaMahlabatini to Gauteng. You can also not dispute that.
That's his version, my Lord.
Futhi uma ebuya ezobhala umsolwa okwesibini yena wayekade esuka eMahlabathini eza eGoli ezobhala. Ngeke uyiphikise leyo uthi into ayishoyo mina angazi.
Okay, thank you. I think that will be relevant insofar as I'm keen to know that you were appointed in terms of Section 334
of the Criminal Procedure Act 51 of 1977.
Uthi yebo mina ngiye ngaqashwa ukuya ngomthetho sisekelo
to be
a peace officer.
Mina ngangade ngingumuntu ozimele osebenzisana ovikela ezomthetho.
Who appointed you?
The appointment is made by the Chief Department of Justice.
Mina ngiqashwe i-department yobulungiswa.
But such confirmation were conferred by the CEO, who's appointed in terms of Section 15 of the Road Traffic Management Corporation Act number 20 of 1999.
Ekutheni mina ngiwela ngaphansi komphathi oyikuthi uye waqashwa naye ngaphansi kumthetho sisekelo.
And you possess a certificate for such an appointment.
I have appointment certificate with my lord.
Nginayo incwadi ebonisayo ukuthi mina ngaqashwa.
So are in possession of the certificate?
I have it, my lord.
Unayo leyo ncwadi manje uthi yebo?
Can I have sight of it?
Ucela ukuyibona uMnumzane Mngomezulu incwadi ebonisayo ukuthi uMnumzane Matlo uqashiwe.
Here is my appointment certificate.
Mr. Sebande, can you beam that certificate on the screen? And you must make a copy for the court because mina angisiboni certificate. Is it possible? Hello?
We need to scan it.
Yeah, as long as it forms part of the record thereafter. And then you must give it
it to be exhibit
an exhibit.
A3.
Yeah. Okay.
Ilona ikarit lakhe elibonisayo
Can I have a look at
ukuthi
that?
uqashiwe.
Mr. Matloun, can you place this information verbal so that it goes into the record, which is written on this card, please?
Okay, my lord, I'm appointed as peace officer in terms of Section 334 of the Criminal Procedure Act number 51 of 1977. I'm also appointed as traffic officer in terms of Section 3A of National Road Traffic Act number 93 of 1996. I'm also appointed as an authorized officer in terms of Section 86 of the National Land Transport Act number 5 of 2009. And I shall perform such function and duties as prescribed. If this card is lost, if found, kindly return it to RTMC Private Bag X147 Pretoria. The contact number is 0861 400 800. I'm flipping inside the card. It says appointment certificate, National Anti-Corruption Unit. The emblem is Road Traffic Management Corporation. The name is Matlo CC. The ID number is also identified. The parcel number is 20150689. The reg is investigator. The person who authorized the issue is the Chief Executive Officer. The signature of myself is also here on the card. The emblem of National Traffic Police is also depicted on the card, my lord.
Okay, thanks.
Manje ke yena ufaka konke okuyithu kubhalwe la kuleli karit lakhe lokuthi yena uqashwe ukuya ngomthetho sisekelo la ukuthi libhale amagama wakhe nesibongo, libhale nokuthi yena usebenza ukwenzani, umsebenzi wakhe wokuphenya, futhi uqashiwe njengephoyisa eyikuthi lona lingahle limise abantu emgaqweni uma abantu beshayela imoto, futhi akwazi ukuthi angabahloma imibuzo uma engabe beshayele ebudedengu noma bayibona into ethize ukuthi uyayisola, futhi ke yena uyasho ukuthi waqashwa ukuya ngomthetho sisekelo.
Thank you. No further questions.
Thank you.